This lets you hide adult channels so you only see them when you want to, completely out of sight for friends, family, or anyone else using your TV. This method removes the adult section from live TV and from search, and you can restore it just as fast when needed. This works on Formuler boxes running MyTVOnline. 3. No moving channels, no renaming, and no playlist reloads. To hide the adult section, open MyTVOnline. 3. Go to Menu. Select Connection Manager. Choose Manage Groups, open TV Groups. Find the adult or XXX group. Untick it. That's it. The adult section is now fully hidden, removed from the channel list and from search results. When you want it back, follow the same steps. Go to Manage Groups. Tick the adult group again. It returns instantly. If you also want pin protection, you can combine this with parental control. If this helped, check the pinned comment for the device used and a quick reminder on how to unlock the adult section when needed.